It's Wednesday morning, my people. Good morning, my powerful MVP family. A grand rising to each and every one of you. If you're watching this, it means that you're already blessed because you're up and you have eyes to see that are still seeing and ears that are still listening. Summer Black, good morning. Got it. Got it, yes. I see it. Thank you. No problem. All right. All right, so now you're part of my day, right? Some students are here, but I'm just doing a quick video. Because you know what, guys? I problem solve something. I have been having problems for so long. I massage, I rub, so much. You know what the problem was? These darn keys are on my neck. You know that these keys can weigh so much and we don't realize that they're hanging on our necks day in, day out, and it can become stressful. I find like this morning I thought about it. I said, wait a minute. The keys are heavy because I have a classroom key and a master key for all the bathrooms in the building. Then I have the house key attached. And then I have these other keys for my closets, my desk, and the locks for my students. And I also carry a whistle, because when we go outside for recess, you gotta get the kids' attention. And you call one and say, we're getting ready to move, and they dodge you and they keep going. So you have to blow the whistle and get your attention, and here they come. But this does weigh a little bit, more than I need to be swinging on my neck every day. So I had bought these a long time ago, and this morning I said, you know what? I feel such relief right now, like it is beautiful. Good morning. All right. And so this I'm going to be attaching the keys to. So instead of around my neck, I'll wear it on my hand. Because I tend to forget things. The good thing with this, in the mornings I pick up my... have a seat. I do not appreciate those kind of things. We're not whispering anything. We're not carrying tales to anyone. Because we just do not want the drama. You welcome her back and let us have a great day. Enjoy your breakfast. These girls with a drama every chance they get. So I'm going to be putting the keys on this, which I think will be a better balance, because the neck, my neck just, every minute I have to be massaging. And yeah, my shoulder has its issues, but this key I think was a big issue. So I problem solved, guys. Could you go to your locker and get your pants on? Where's the school uniform?
This is my school uniform.
Really? Sixth grade, guys. The sixth grade, these are interesting kids. The socialites, the drama queens, the everything. And they're trying to find themselves. So you love them. And you guide them and tough love and love. So that's what it is today, guys. Problem solving. Find what the problems are and try to fix them. Not everything warrants a doctor's visit, because I tell you, I was ready to go get an MRI or something. But it's just a one section. Good morning. Thank you. And so I said, let me see. And I thought about these things. So now I'm feeling more relaxed, more, it feels good. And I hope it continues to feel good. And it's really and truly the keys. That was just too much stress on the neck and the nerves right there. So I hope everything is good where you are, guys. I hope everything is good. This when I got up, I was talking to a friend last night, and He's doing a 10-day, like a 21-day water fast. And I applaud him for that. And he's also going to do a raw food fast for a little period of time, and I'm going to join him with that one. Just raw foods, vegetables, and you know, so I can tolerate some raw broccoli. You eat it in salads. I can tolerate my salad. Um, I can tolerate my raw carrots, so I don't have to go crazy. And then do my smoothies, and my cucumbers. I like that. Do my smoothies, and I think I'm gonna try it and just see how it makes me feel. So maybe it, recalibrate the body and the nutrients that we miss out because we eat so much processed foods. But I'll see what happens, and I will let you guys know. So whether I do the whole time with him or do a month or so or whatever it is, I'll see. Because I'm sure at the end things will change. Your taste for different things will change, and it might be more, have a better balance. So I'm just touching bases, my family, just touching bases, and just hoping that you have a great day where you are. Remember, as you pray, God understands, and He taught us how to pray for our daily bread, for forgiveness, for all those things. So don't forget, our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day, not 2 weeks, not a month, but this day our daily bread, and forgive us of our trespasses, as we also forgive others who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptations, but deliver us from evil. For yours, Lord, is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever. Amen. Make it a great day.